Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to use Google Play Protect to scan for harmful apps on your Android phone in order to keep your Android phone secure and clean from viruses. What you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, go ahead and click on the profile icon. And go ahead and click on Play Protect. And go ahead and click on Scan. So right here, allow the scan to run completely. And if there is any harmful app in these sections right here, Google Play Store is going to tell you the proper action to take is to remove the harmful app from your Android phone. It's that simple. Once it's done, once you find no harmful apps found right here, it simply means that every app you have on your Android phone is fully secure. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.